What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to roll the windows down on a 2022 Chevy Silverado using the key fob. This will also be the same on the GMC Sierra. So first we'll take a look at how to use the feature, and then we'll take a look at how to turn it on or off inside the vehicle. So in order to use the feature, what we're going to do is press the unlock button once and then hold the unlock button down for a few seconds. And then it'll roll all four windows down. Now let's take a look at how to turn that feature on or off. So to turn the feature on or off, we'll need to be in the vehicle with it running. And then taking a look at our center screen, I'm going to go to the home menu. From here, I'm going to click settings. Then I'm going to go to vehicle. And then I'm going to scroll down to remote lock, unlock, and start. Click that. Then we're going to scroll down, and remote window operation is what we're looking at. So turn it off there, turn it back on, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.